Okay guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good night. Before I start this video about presentation for me and glasses communication for deaf with Bluetooth controller. So now I want to introduce myself. My name is lp3i. I'm from student Poltek lp3i Medan and I choose majoring computer technology. And I'm 19 years old, so I want the presentation now. Let's play the video. Okay guys, the first I start from slide 1 about glasses communication deaf with Bluetooth controller. There is a supervisor is Masniati Murni and me Alfariji Pratamamsi. So I want the next slide. Okay, abstract. This communication tool is full for the deaf to make it easier for them to communicate with other people. The purpose of this result is to make a tool for the deaf to make it easier for them to communicate and also to make a tool that can convert sound into text. Here, the outdoor use Arduino to complete the communication glasses. The research that use primary data with field research data collection techniques, namely interview and library research. From the result of this study, if the voice input through the application is successful converted into text, it will be displayed on the OLED display. If not, that the text is not displayed on the OLED display. Okay, slide 3, Bob 1 introduce the background of the communication. Problem is process of exchange information carried out by two or more people so that the information can be understood by each other. Everyone always communicates, including the deaf. The deaf usually use sight books or small notes to communicate. Okay, next slide for formulation of the problem. 1. How is the reception process in the form of sound into text that will be read deaf out? 2. How to design communication glasses for the deaf use Bluetooth control. Result elimination. The result elimination that are used as reference in this study are: 1. Voice receipt is only done via cell phone. 2. Tool testing is only for deaf people who can read. Research objective. The purpose of the order it making this research is: 1. Making a tool that can convert voice into text. 2. Build a tool that can help the deaf to communication with the public easily. Okay, slide 5. Research benefit. The benefit of this research are: the first, outer side. Study this can make us meet for knowledge, insight, and skill in the application of theories that are already obtained in colleges and can also be used as planning or reference to create and develop tools deaf communication. 2. The deaf party. This research can be used as tool that facilitates the deaf people to communication with each other. And 3. Polytechnic lp3i Medan. With this research, the Polytechnic lp3i Medan can apply to assist learning in program. Okay, Bab 2. Theoretical basic. There is a theoretical basic. This chapter provides an explanation of the tools and system or application and program use. The first is Arduino Nano. It's an open source electronic circuit based on hardware and software which is easy to use and equipped with a number of digital and analog pits which function as input readers such as reading sensor or music. Its two is OLED displays are like emitting semiconductor light made of organic layers are film of organic compounds emitting like response again electric current. 3 is Bluetooth. Is a wireless technology that can exchange data or information with a certain distance from device to another. The last is Arduino or software. ID is open source software that allows use the program the Arduino language it's C language. And next this automatic spec recognition or text specs. In this here automatic spec recognition or text spec is understanding computer voice and performing the necessary text or the ability to match sound with the vocabulary provided or obtained. So this is a feature about automatic speech recognition or text speech. This is our process. It the first the voice and next the future extension and decoder or user and acoustics model or type your voice and next language model or bahasa or English or Spain bahasa and the last example language is English. How are you? Okay, research methods. The outdoor conduction research at one of the deaf house, namely on Street Lotus number 25, District Medan Sungal or Medan City, North Sumatra. This research began in March 2019 to May 2019. This research aims to collect data and find out about data problems so that the outdoors research entailed communication glasses for the deaf using a Bluetooth control can be carried out. This research is intended so that the data that has been obtained can help to simplify the process of working on the tool. The following is the research schedule that the author is planning. Method of collecting data. Data collection is done is to look for certain data information, get the method it making the tools that will become guidelines, and data collection producer in this study. The first is file research atau file research. The outdoor condition research with the deaf, namely by purpose to know the level of deafness and how they are communicate with other people in the location. And next, library research. In this library research, the writer used referencing from the journal Mittal et al. 9. Digital data and call notification system in Google Glass using Arduino Nano. In the journal, they made glasses that function as unhealthy monitor, counting bits shared. Call notification, notify phone notification and digital dots. Calculates the current which is around 0.12 volt, but the ingredients they use are Arduino Nano, heartbeat sensor, Bluetooth HC05 module and OLED display. So this is a feature or process. This design breadboard and design schematic glasses communication for diff, and the last picture is how to make begin to glasses communication for diff. Okay, next research result and discussion. Okay, after analyzing and designing, build and executed testing the design of diff communication glasses using a controller Bluetooth. Then next is testing of hardware and the software. The testing phase consists of design whole tool, testing on the program and the testing of electronics. The overall design of the glasses includes the device electronics and computer program. This design has been made to be able to meet the objective assigned and provide analysis of the tool whereas testing of electronic circuits and computer program will be carried out instead of programs that have been made. In this section, this outdoor will explain several parts of the diff communication glasses using a Bluetooth controller. These parts are the microcontroller. The microcontroller plays an important role in communication glasses. For the diff using this Bluetooth controller and Bluetooth acts as a sender of data reception to be used in diff communication glasses. Okay, the last slide is consolation. Consolation based on the result obtained in consolations can be drawn them. The tool can turn voice into sequel. 2. The tool can help the disabled with a level of accuracy at Bluetooth and 100% and a maximum distance of 10 meters. 5. Suggestion the result of this study still need to be refined to produce speech to text which is faster and more precise. Here are some suggestions that can developers include. 1. This tool still has many shortcomings in the speed of changing sound into text. For that, the researcher hopes for the further research to use a mic that will minimize internal irritation voice recording to be processed into text. 2. Placement of tools on glasses can be designed to be more minimal, lighter, so it can be used with the aim of convenience and security.